Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. If you're a first time viewer, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update or the notifications. In today's demo, we are going to have the demonstration if there is a business requirement that business want to hide any UI field from any page, how you can achieve it in Oracle Fusion based on roles. To achieve this requirement in Fusion, you have to first activate the sandbox. Without activating the sandbox, you cannot achieve it. So before activating the sandbox, first I will go to the security console and validate the roles. So click on the navigator, go to the tools, and under tools, click on the security console. The purpose to go under the security console to pick up the role which I can utilize to hide the fields. Let me search with the user. Yes. So let me click on the Fusion. So I will take up one of the role. Let me pick up. Yes. So in previous demo, we have created one custom role. So we'll pick up this role, Fusion ESS monitor role. So let me copy and paste it to Notepad. So we'll utilize this role to hide any field from the UI so that it won't impact other users. After taking this, you have to go to the navigator. Under the navigator, you have to go to the configuration. Under the configuration, you have the sandboxes. You have to click on sandboxes. Under the sandboxes, you have to create a sandbox. So we'll create the sandbox. We'll add the objects, the tools. So I enabled the tools. Let me type it test. And the description test. Now I will click on create and enter. So there are a lot of tools available which you can utilize to personalize, to customize your Oracle Fusion UI and achieve your business requirement. So we have to wait. Yeah. So you can see that sandbox is activated. Now we have to go to the UI and go to the page where we want to have this personalization. So let's go to the order management. Click on order management. Under the order management, we'll click on create order. Let's wait to get form to open. Yes. Now form is open. Now let me go to the shipment detail. Under the shipment detail, I want to hide shipping method, or maybe I will pick it up under the shipping. Yes, I'm going to hide the shipping instructions. Now, to have this, we have to go to the user. Under the user, we have to go to the under administration, and we have to click on the edit pages. Once you click on edit page, you have the three options available: add content, select, and structure. Okay, we'll click on the structure. Under the structure, we have to select the respective field for the customization. So I selected, system will prompt, are you sure you want to configure the task? You say yes. You can see while selecting the UI or the particular task, you can see there is a under doc is available for the customization. So you have to little bit scroll up and you have to scroll down and select your particular task. So let me select it. Yeah. So I selected the packing instruction. Yeah. So I selected the packing instruction. Now you have to go to the show the properties of packing instruction. So you have to click on this setting icon. Once you click on that, we'll add the expressions based on role to hide the packing instruction. You have to scroll a little bit. You can see there is a visible option is enabled. What it means, if this flag is enabled, then you can see the packing instruction on the UI. But I want this to be disabled for the specific role, and I don't want to hide the field for the other users or the other roles, so that it won't impact the business global users. So to add the expression, you have to click on the drop down. Under the drop down, you have to click on expression builder. Once you click on the expression builder, you have to write the expressions. Currently, you can see the condition is true. So the flag is enabled. I had already make a video where you can go and learn how to customize the UI and add field to the UI and more customization. You can learn that. Now, to add the expression, you have to type hash and then you have to type it security context dot user in role add bracket, and then we have already copied one of the custom role. So you have to copy this role and you have to go back to the expression. You have to enter that and then close the bracket. So you have to write it, this expression. So what it means, right? So I entered the expression that security context user in role. So if user having this role, then the particular field called packing instructions will be hidden from the UI. If there is a need, if business want to have that, I want to hide the respective field if user will have the all roles. So just you have to replace this in with the all. So you have to type it all role and you add more roles. So you have to add comma, you have to add your XYZ role. I'm just giving you the understanding. You can use this feature henceforth and you can use this functionality. Now you can comma and then add another role and close the bracket. So this is how you can add if there is a need to have this customization for the all roles. So we are demonstrating for the in role. So I added that this personalization will be applicable whoever having the Fusion ESS monitor role. Now after adding it, the expression you have to test it. Once you test, system bit prompt. So if there is any issue, system will prompt you the error. So let me validate it. If there is any error, so let me search it. Yes, so I have not put it the closer. Yeah, so I entered the closer. Now we'll test. So now you can see it's showing a value as a false. That means it will be disabled for the respective roles. So this is how you have to add the expression to hide any field from the UI in Oracle Fusion. You have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, if you scroll down, you can see when I entered the expression, what I have returned, that visible option is disable for the roles. You have to click on apply and you have to click on OK. Once you're done with this, you have to test it before publishing your sandbox. That you have to make sure. So if you see from the UI that packing instruction is disabled for me because I'm having that custom role assigned to my user account. So that packing instruction field is disabled or hidden for me. I'm not going to publish it. So once you validate it, just you have to go to the sandbox and you have to publish it. So it will be applicable globally for the rest of the user who is having that respective role. So this is how you can achieve this requirement in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.